Welcome to Nifty Trade Setup channel. So we'll discuss what happened for Nifty, Bank Nifty today in the market and what is expected tomorrow. So as usual, we'll look at Nifty first and then we'll look at the Bank Nifty later. So we had planned for if it is breaking this 1921 930, we will go for short and market gave exactly 100 points, 80 to 90 points. But I don't say as a good, very good entry because market had taken already 60 points and probably we may not have got a very good target here. But if you had entered while crossing itself, definitely it has a good entry of 100 points. So that and then market reverse, completely reverse, and then reached very high actually. So it has given a very good reversal today. So now for long term, definitely if you look at the day, so it is going in a sideways market. So it has hit the bottom and it has started moving up now. So to for the confirmation would be like if market is closing 1 hour tomorrow, this today's high, we can go for long to hold it till this all time high 22,800. We can expect by this month end. So this is what I could see it for long term. So let's look at for intraday for tomorrow. If you see this market where it came down in a channel actually, so the channel is broken down. So the channel has become invalid. So I mean this now if you look at a small time frame, market is in a smaller time frame channel. So you can see it, market is in tomorrow small time frame channel. So we see that now it is standing at the top of the channel. Probably we may expect market touching the bottom of the channel and then taking a spike again. So the entry would be that if there is a gap up, so this channel will become invalid. So we need to wait for after gap up. We need to wait for market to come down after green candle formation, breaking it completely. This today's high. Wait for green candle formation and then take a dip and then reversal so that we can go for long again, where we can expect market reaching 22 300 or 300 340 is what I'm expecting tomorrow. If there is a gap up and then taking a dip and reversal, we can expect till this one. But in case if there is a gap up market and not able to close above and comes inside, then we need to really wait to see whether it is this channel is obeying or forming it properly is getting obeyed. If it is bouncing here, we can go for entry again. We can get good high, I mean, good entry for if it is touching this bottom of channel and going up. So this is what I could see it. So first scenarios gap up, breaking it cleanly with a green candle, or then taking a dip and reversal, then go for long. So that is what I could see it. Our second thing is if it's not able to break this high, if it is coming down, let it touch the bottom of the channel and so a reversal so that we can go for long. Again, we can get 100 points easily. So these are the two scenarios we have it. The sell scenario I would recommend below this point 21 943. If the market gap down opens and then closes below only, we'll be able to go for short. Otherwise, we'll look for long scenarios. And this scenario between this today's high and this point 22 943 is a critical zone where market, if it remains, we need to little avoid it. Otherwise, market may remain in sideways in this reason, right? So first is priorities, probabilities. If it is gap up, breaking it clearly, taking a dip, reversal, go for long. If it is coming down after flat opening, let it reverse touching this bottom of channel and reverse so that we can go for long again. And the sales in our short scenario only below 21,943. This is what I have captured in my slide also. So today 80 points achieved. So gap up above long entry above 22 130. After dip we can go for long. And if it rejected, we need to really wait and see if it is is it a real rejection that is trying to go for down, or we kind of bottom of the channel we can go for long for again entry, good entry for she. Gap down only below 19, 21, 943, we can look for short. Otherwise, always we look for all buy scenarios tomorrow. So let's look at Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty exactly behaved like same way that what is expected. So if it is breaking this point, we can go for short. We said 47 375. Market gave the target of 300 400 points nicely, and then it moved up actually. Now it's again near the supply zone again. So we need to see if it is breaking it. If it is breaking, let it take a dip on reversal, go for long again. If it is getting rejected, so we need to wait and see if it is a real rejection or kind of coming for what it is coming for correction, right? So we need to really wait if it is getting rejected. So the first scenario is gap up opening, breaking this channel with a green candle, even if flat or gap up, let it come for dip and then reversal so that we can go for long. Short scenario, we can always look for only below this channel that you have drawn, right? So otherwise, we are looking for only buy scenario tomorrow for Bank Nifty also. Hope this analysis is clear for you, and you can put a like to this video and subscribe to this channel if you are not done so. Thanks for watching this video.